Good morning, students. So in today's class we are going to discuss a new lesson, that is lesson number 3, plateaus of India. Okay. So in this lesson we will study about the plateaus of India first of all, and next peninsular plateaus, next life in the peninsular plateau and importance of plateaus. Okay. So let's get started now. So first of all, in the page number 167, you can see pictures. You can see 3 pictures here. Can you see them? So see. By seeing the picture, try to recognize which kind of plateaus are those. So see the first picture. See the first picture, and they have given also space there to write. Okay. So first picture. And in the bracket they have given some of the options like mountains, desert and plains. Okay. We have to write the correct answer with the correct picture. The first one is, what is that? That is nothing but plains. Is it? Yes, it is plains. First one is plains. Now what is the second one? That is desert design. Is it? Yes, desert. And the third one is nothing but mountains. Mountains. So these are some designs according to the picture. First one is plateau, plains. Second one is desert. Third one is mountains. Okay. So let's say started first. A raised area with steep slopes and flat top is called as plateau. So plateau and the definition of plateau is see here, a raised area with steep slopes. And flat top. Is called what? Is called plateau. So plateau ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಒಂದು raised area ಮತ್ತೆ with steep slopes ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ steep ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನಾವೇನಿರ್ತೀವಿ plateau ಅಂತೀವಿ. And it is mostly a rocky area and is also called as tableland. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಂಥ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎದರಿದ್ರೂ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ರಾಕಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ದಿಸ್ ರಾಕಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಕ್ ಇಂದ ಫುಲ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಟೇಬಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ table land. Mostly this area is covered with rocky land, so that's called as table land. Okay, and see now let's discuss about the peninsular plateaus. Peninsular plateaus. That is peninsular plateau. So the peninsular plateau covers the most of the central and south India. So this area cover mostly central and south India. ಏನದು plateaus? Peninsular plateaus mostly covered of the what it covers? It covers most of the central ಮತ್ತೆ south India na cover ಮಾಡಿದ. And the plateau regions of India extends from the south of the northern plains to the southern tip of the India. ಏನು ಈ peninsular ಅಥವಾ ಏನು plateau region ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? South of the northern plains plains to the southern state. Southern tip tana ಏನೈತಿ cover ಆಗ್ಯದ. Okay, and it is triangular in shape. What is the shape of this peninsular plateau? It's triangular. Triangular shape. Okay, it is in triangular shape, and that it is broader in the north and gradually reduces towards the south. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೈತಿ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಐತಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೌತ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೈತಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ರಾಜುವಲಿ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಪೆನಿನ್ಸುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಸರೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಪೆನಿನ್ಸುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂ ಎದರ್ಲೆ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ, ಎದರ್ಲೆ ಸರೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಬೈ ದ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್. It is surrounded by hills and all sides the Aravali hills. ಯಾವ ತರ hills? ಒಂದೇದು Aravali hills. Aravali hills in the northwest. See, northwest ಕಡೆ ಏನು? northwest ಕಡೆ Aravali hills ಇಂದ ಸರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. And next Rajmahal hills. Rajmahal hills. So the Rajmahal hills in the northeast. In the northeast. Okay, and the eastern Ghats in the east. Eastern Ghats barte. Eastern Ghats ekade bartavu. Idu east. In the east and the western Ghats bartava. So western Ghats ekade bartava. Western Ghats in the west, obviously in the west. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಕವರ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವು, peninsular plateaus ಒಳಗೆ ಕವರ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವು. First one, see, the peninsular plateau is fully covered with the hills. So for example, you can see Aravali hills in the northern west or northwest, and Rajmahal hills in the northeast. Next, eastern Ghats you can see in the east, and western Ghats you can see in the west. Okay, and the height of these ghats increases from north to south. North to south. You the height of the ghat. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಘಾಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಇದರ ಹೈಟ್ ಏನು, ಈ ಘಾಟಿನ ಹೈಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಎಕಡಿಂದ ಎಕಡೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವು? ಫ್ರಮ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಟು ಸೌತ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವುದು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಪೆನಿನ್ಸುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ರೈನ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಮೆನಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಸನಲ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪೆನಿನ್ಸುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎದರ್ಲೆ ಕವರ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವು? ರಿವರ್ಸಿಂದ. ಸೆವ್ರಲ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. See, waterfalls are there, rivers, waterfalls are there, along with their Jog falls are there. Okay, Jog falls on the Shravanti river in Karnataka is one of the highest waterfall in India. Which one is that? Shravanti river. So Shravanti river ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು? ಅದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಒಳಗ highest waterfall river. Okay, it is the highest waterfall in India. Which one? Shravanti, where in Karnataka. And the Kunchikal falls in the highest waterfall in India, the second highest in Asia. The Kunchikal falls. See here. Kunchikal waterfall ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ highest waterfall in India. Is the second highest. India ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, but it is the second highest waterfall. India ಒಳಗೆ ಇರುವುದು second highest waterfall. ಯಾವುದು? Kunchikal. Okay, and the Narmada river divides the plateaus in two types. Okay, so ಇನ್ನೇನು ನರ್ಮದಾ ರಿವರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು? ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು? ಎರಡು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು. Which river? That is ನರ್ಮದಾ. ನರ್ಮದಾ ಏನು ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. And those are the northern part is known as the central highland and the southern part is known as the Deccan Plateau. See, so which are those parts? First one northern part ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ. ಆ ನಾರ್ದರ್ನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಹೈಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೌದರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಇನ್ನು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಡೆಕ್ಕನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಐಡಿಯಾ. So the first one is the central highland, and the second one is the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau. Okay. So ಎಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನರ್ಮದಾ ರಿವರ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೈತಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಹೈಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆಕ್ಕನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂ. Okay, so about the central highland, about the Deccan Plateau we will study in the next class. Okay, which kind of what plateaus it is having and which kind of plateaus, the area of the Deccan Plateau, the remaining things we will study in the tomorrow's class.